So over here, you can see that I got random datas. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the sum if condition to only calculate the values which are here in this column right here. So I'm going to press equals, then I'm going to type in sum if, and now I'm going to take this year as the condition. So I'm going to select out the year just like this, and then I'm going to press comma just like this, and I'm going to open up the bracket just like this right here. So I'm going to add in equals to 2021 because that is the value that I want to take, and then I'm going to press equals, and then I'm going to select out the data I want to add. I'm going to close out the bracket now and press enter. And now what happens is that wherever it says 2021, it adds the value. So if I were to press 2021 right here, it adds the value as you can see. I'm going to take 2019, paste it out right here, and you can see that the value is 456, the value right here. If I were to change the value right here, you can see that it only takes that in. I can do the same with 2019 right here. So if I were to type in 2019, then you can see that this is what you have. Similarly, you can add in other ifs as well. So I'm just going to go around and paste the formula just like this. I'm going to go around and paste the formula. And instead of sum if, I'm going to type in average if right here. And I'm just going to go around and press enter right here. And then now you got the average value of the year 2019, just like that. And that is how you can work around with datas like the if conditions for such datas inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.